And
Riley, what are you doing?
we're doing a video. And this is a dress. Okay, we're gonna do a video and you're gonna put your thumbs up. Okay, here's this towel shiny. Show you what to do. It can turn into a towel shiny. It can do this. So let's pick out something else. Okay, this is a bunny. Like, where's my blindfold thing? Where's my blindfold? And this thing can wiggle his tail and can walk. So it's like not real. It's like $10 when I rented it at Walmart. And this is my first right. So, okay. Here's a monkey like this is him like very old. It's like a big. And this is a mermaid, which can flap her tail. You do it, but you can't put in real water because it's soft. Okay. Try put a hand on now. How did pay and
Say bye.
bye. Hi, bye. Wait.